Hello guys! Welcome to Abby and Filter TV and let's have merienda together. For our merienda, bumili kami ng chicken baked roll with bacon from SNR. So makita nyo naman, medyo brown siya. So it's like a toasty bread na merong chicken of course and bacon sa loob. Yan. So, kita nyo ba? Kita natin. So yan, no? Wow! Diba? So, tikman natin. Siyempre, gusto kong tikman yung medyo middle na side kasi doon parang nakakoncentrate yung ano dyan, yung meat, no? So, first bite. So, dip natin dito sa sauce nila. I think parang mayonnaise with some pickle. I'm not sure, pero parang ganun yung lasa niya. Tignan natin. Wow. Wow. Yung chicken niya, so tender. Tapos, wow! Yung bacon, it adds the smoky flavor, pero hindi niya ino-overpower yung lasa ng chicken. So, sarap, no? And makikita nyo, toasty siya. Wow, yan. So, sarap. Diba? So, another bite for our merienda today. Ang galing nung gumawa nito kasi yung chicken niya hindi bland, no? Tapos yung flavor ng bacon malalasahan mo pero hindi niya ino-overpower yung lasa ng chicken and creamy siya inside, no? Sarap. So let me try without their dipping sauce. Yeah. So every time we go to SNR, of course we usually buy pizza, no? Pero once in a while, order kami nito. Kasi it's our, parang isa to sa ano namin, parang quick snack na option. Yan. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga quick snack, sa mga baked roll goodies, so it's one of the best option. SNR chicken baked roll with bacon. Wow. Yun na kasi, after na family day nila Kaya, we went straight sa Walter Mart. Kasi, alam niyo naman, holiday season, so much around, maraming dapat gawin, maraming dapat bilhin, you know, because of the holiday. Pero we enjoy naman doing that as a family, no? Kung nakakatuwa. At, punta kami sa grocery, na-miss kong uminom ng root beer. So, kaya bumili ako ng root beer. So, ito yung pa-partner ko ngayon. Yeah. Wow.